How to see all your comments on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application. Let's just go back here to our home page. So basically it will lead you here to your home. Now, on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. You'll see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menu. So what you're gonna do is tap on the menu, the 3 dash lines there, and scroll all the way down up until you see the settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy there and tap on settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to scroll down up until you see the your activity section here, and you will see activity log. Tap on that, and then here you will see all your activities, and basically all you have to do is to choose what specific activity history that you want to go to. So let's say you want to go to your comments to see all your comments on Facebook. So what you're gonna do is to tap on your activity across Facebook, and here you'll see comments and reactions. So if you click on this, the comments and likes and reactions will come out. So since we want to see our comments, of course we have to tap on your comments here, and basically you will see all the comments here. And as you can see, I do not have, because I haven't commented to any post yet, but if you have or you had, then those comments will actually appear here, and you can actually delete it if you want. And basically that is how you see all your comments on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.